Leela was a 17-year-old intelligent and determined girl who lived in a small coastal village. The houses in her village had roofs made of mud and thatch, and the paths were mostly filled with dirt and scattered stones. Every morning, before the sun fully rose, Leela would look out of her small window and wonder what life beyond the edges of her village might be like. Her village was quiet and peaceful, but resources were limited, and education for girls was not considered a priority. Most girls stayed at home to help with household work, while only a few lucky ones could attend school. But Leela was different. There was a spark in her eyes that showed she wanted more than the simple, everyday life her village offered. Leela's father was a farmer, working long hours in the fields, while her mother managed the household chores. They wanted Leela to help at home, but her heart was in her studies. She would spend her evenings reading old journals and asking questions from the village teacher. "Leela, why do you read for so long every night?" her mother asked one day. "Mom," Leela replied passionately, "I want to know about the world. There is more than what we learn in school. I want to become someone, to do something meaningful." Her village teacher, the most educated person in the area, often said, "Leela, your mind is special. If you work hard, you can achieve your biggest dreams." But the villagers would often say, "Girls don't need too much education. Helping at home is enough." These words didn't discourage Leela, instead, they strengthened her resolve. Her days followed a rigorous routine. She would wake up early to help her father in the fields, walk long distances to school, study late into the night despite exhaustion, and read old journals by the dim light of a lantern. One of Leela's biggest challenges was financial. Her father sometimes said, "Leela, books are expensive. Maybe just the basic textbooks will have to be enough." But Leela never gave up. She borrowed books from friends, borrowed old copies from the school library, and worked tirelessly, determined to learn. One day, her school held an important examination supervised by a visiting teacher from the city. Every student felt anxious, but Leela's only thought was to do her best for her dreams. She brought along her notes and old journals and focused entirely on the questions during the exam. A few days later, the results were announced. Leela had earned the highest marks in the school. Her teacher hugged her and said, "Leela, you have proven that with determination and hard work, anything is possible." This success ignited a new hope in Leela's heart. She realized that if someone could overcome obstacles in a small village, then the opportunities of the city were within her reach. Leela's determination was not just academic, she became an inspiration for other girls in the village. Some who had shown little interest in school now began to study, motivated by Leela's example. Even her parents began to recognize her courage and dedication. One evening, Leela thought to herself, "If I can achieve all this here in my village, what could I accomplish in the city?" This question sparked a new dream, to move to the city and continue her education, to experience a world far beyond the boundaries of her small village. Part 1 ends with hope and anticipation. Leela, armed with her hard work and courage, is ready to step beyond the limits of her village and seek new opportunities in life. After her remarkable success in the village exams, Leela felt a mix of pride and anticipation. She had proven herself capable in the confines of her small village, but she knew that the real journey was only beginning. Her dream of moving beyond the village, to study more and eventually create a life for herself, demanded far more courage and perseverance. Life in the village, however, was not about to make things easy. Daily chores and family responsibilities were still pressing. Each morning, Leela would wake up before dawn, helping her father in the fields, fetching water from the well, and assisting her mother with household tasks. By the time she reached school, she was already tired, but the thought of achieving her dreams pushed her forward. Financial struggles were constant. Leela often had to borrow books and stationery from friends or the village library. She would spend nights under the dim glow of a lantern, rewriting notes, memorizing lessons, and preparing for the next day. The cold winds and occasional rain did not deter her. She had learned to embrace discomfort as part of her growth. At school, the examinations were growing increasingly challenging. The village teachers were supportive, but their resources were limited. Leela often felt that she had to teach herself much of the advanced material, poring over every book she could find. There were days when she would arrive at school with a headache or exhaustion, yet she refused to let fatigue stop her. Some villagers, seeing her relentless pursuit of knowledge, began to question her priorities. Why does she care so much about books? She should be helping her parents, they murmured. But Leela was unwavering. She had a vision, and no amount of doubt from others could shake her determination. I will not let my circumstances define me, she often whispered to herself during quiet moments by the village pond. Then came the most important challenge, the district-level examination. It was a test that could open doors for higher studies and scholarships in the city. Leela spent weeks preparing, waking up early to revise and staying up late to practice sample papers. Her friends admired her dedication, and some even joined her study sessions. Yet, the pressure was immense, and there were nights she questioned herself. I am just one girl from a small village. Can I really compete with students from bigger towns? She wondered. Despite the self-doubt, Leela pressed on. She reminded herself of every early morning she had sacrificed, every borrowed book she had painstakingly studied, and the countless hours she had invested in her dreams. On the day of the exam, she felt a nervous thrill in her chest, but she walked into the hall determined to give her best. The exam was grueling. The questions were harder than she had anticipated, and for a moment, she felt overwhelmed. But she breathed deeply, focused, and applied every bit of knowledge she had painstakingly gathered over the years. Each answer she wrote was a small victory, a testament to her resilience. When the results were finally announced, Leela had again secured the top position, earning a scholarship for higher studies in the city. The joy and relief she felt were indescribable. Her parents, who had once doubted whether all this effort was worthwhile, now beamed with pride. Even the villagers who had questioned her dedication could not ignore the extraordinary young woman she had become. But Leela knew that her journey had only just begun. The city promised opportunities, yes, but it also held new challenges, complexities, and uncertainties. She could no longer rely solely on the support of family and teachers. She would have to rely on her own intelligence, courage, and determination. In the quiet evenings before leaving for the city, Leela often sat by the river bank, reflecting on her journey so far. The struggles, the sacrifices, the moments of doubt, they had all shaped her, strengthened her, and prepared her for the unknown road ahead. She realized that true courage was not the absence of fear but the willingness to move forward despite it. As she packed her few belongings for the journey, Leela whispered to herself, "This is only the beginning. The city may test me in ways I cannot imagine, but I am ready. I will face it all and rise, no matter what." And with that resolve, Leela took her first step toward the wider world, leaving behind the familiarity of her village but carrying with her the strength, knowledge, and courage that had been forged through years of hardship. The morning Leela left her village, a mixture of excitement and nervousness fluttered in her chest. The narrow dirt roads, familiar faces, and the soothing rhythm of village life would soon be behind her. She had packed only what was necessary, some clothes, notebooks, a few cherished books, and her heart was filled with hope. The journey to the city was long and unfamiliar. The bus rumbled over paved roads, passing towns and factories that Leela had only read about in books. She pressed her face against the window, absorbing every sight, the dense traffic, tall buildings, and crowds of people bustling in ways she had never seen before. For a moment, she felt small and out of place. Arriving in the city, Leela was overwhelmed by the sheer scale of everything. Skyscrapers towered above her, the streets were crowded with honking vehicles, and people moved at a pace that left her dizzy. Yet, she did not falter. She reminded herself that she had come for a purpose, to build her future. Finding a place to live was the first challenge. She rented a small room in a shared house, with barely enough space for her belongings. The room was modest, but to Leela, it was a sanctuary, a place where she could focus on her studies and prepare for the professional world. Leela quickly realized that adapting to city life required patience, observation, and learning. She had grown up in a village where simplicity ruled, and now she had to navigate a world filled with technology, complex social norms, and fast-paced interactions. Every day was a lesson: how to take public transportation efficiently, how to interact politely with strangers, how to manage her time effectively. Soon, the time came for her first job application. Leela had studied business administration and basic office skills, but she knew she would have to prove herself in a city filled with competitive applicants. She prepared carefully for each interview, practicing responses and researching each company thoroughly. Her first interview was intimidating. She walked into a large, sleek office, where the staff were all impeccably dressed and appeared confident and experienced. The interviewer asked questions about her background, education, and skills. Leela felt nervous, but she remembered her village days, the early mornings, the long walks to school, and the countless hours spent studying by candlelight. Drawing strength from those memories, she answered with clarity and confidence. Days passed, and Leela faced rejection more than once. Each no stung, and moments of doubt crept in. Maybe I'm not cut out for this, she thought one evening, staring at the city skyline from her small room. But she refused to give up. With every application and interview, she improved, refining her answers, dressing more confidently, and learning to adapt to the corporate environment. Eventually, her persistence paid off. She received an offer for a junior position at a reputable company. The day she received the call, her heart raced with joy. It was a small step, but to Leela, it was proof that her hard work, perseverance, and courage were opening doors to new opportunities. The first days at her job were challenging. The office culture was unfamiliar, and she had to learn quickly how to navigate tasks, deadlines, and teamwork. At times, she felt lost amidst the bustling city professionals, but she reminded herself that every mistake was a learning opportunity. Slowly, she began to gain confidence. She asked questions when needed, observed the ways experienced colleagues worked, and started contributing meaningfully. Outside work, Leela continued to explore the city. She wandered through libraries, parks, and cultural centers, soaking in knowledge and experiences. She was fascinated by the pace of life, the technology, and the ideas that the city offered. She realized that learning didn't stop with school or exams, it was a lifelong process. Despite her initial fears and moments of homesickness, Leela was growing. Every challenge she faced, the long commutes, difficult assignments, unfamiliar people, was shaping her into a stronger, more capable person. The city was no longer an intimidating place, it was a classroom, and she was its eager student. By the end of her first year, Leela had become a competent and reliable member of her team. Her work ethic and intelligence began to gain the recognition of her supervisors and colleagues. She had taken the first real step toward the life she had envisioned for herself, and she knew that this was just the beginning of a journey that would test her courage, resilience, and determination in ways she had never imagined. As Leela settled into her job, she began to notice the impact of her hard work. Tasks that once seemed daunting were now manageable, and her colleagues began to respect her dedication and competence. Her supervisors recognized her potential, and small promotions and commendations started to follow. Yet, even as she excelled professionally, she remained humble, knowing that the city was vast and full of challenges still ahead. Among her colleagues, there was one in particular who seemed intrigued by her determination and intelligence. Daniel, a friendly and confident coworker, often sought her advice on projects and occasionally shared his lunch or a coffee break with her. At first, Leela simply saw him as a kind coworker, but over time, it became clear that his admiration was growing into something more personal. Daniel admired her for the resilience and focus she carried, for the way she navigated a world that was so foreign to her just a year ago. Leela, while appreciative of his attention, remained focused on her work. She believed that her career and self-improvement had to come first. Yet, there was a warmth in their interactions that brought her comfort in the busy, sometimes impersonal environment of the city. Months passed, and their professional camaraderie slowly evolved. Daniel's admiration became more open, and their conversations drifted into personal territory. They shared stories, laughter, and quiet moments of understanding amidst the pressures of office deadlines. Eventually, their friendship blossomed into love. Leela found herself caught between excitement and caution. She had been independent for so long, and trusting someone with her heart was not easy. But she recognized Daniel's sincerity and decided to embrace the relationship. The office colleagues noticed the bond, and soon, their relationship became a quiet but celebrated part of the office life. Time passed, and Leela and Daniel decided to marry. The wedding was a beautiful, intimate affair, attended by family and a few close friends. Leela's heart was full of hope. She felt she had finally found balance, a partner who admired her courage and achievements, and a life in which her professional and personal worlds could coexist. But life, as always, held unexpected challenges. A few months after the wedding, Leela began to notice subtle changes in Daniel's behavior. He was distant, secretive, and often preoccupied with his phone. At first, she brushed it off, attributing it to work stress. But gradually, she uncovered the painful truth: Daniel had been dishonest with her. He had been seeing someone else behind her back. The betrayal struck Leela like a lightning bolt. The pain was intense and overwhelming. She felt shattered, confused, and disoriented. The man she had trusted, admired, and married had broken her heart in the most profound way. For days, she could not bring herself to go to work. She stayed in her small apartment, crying alone, replaying memories of their time together, questioning how she had been so wrong about someone she thought she knew. Her colleagues reached out gently, offering sympathy and support, but Leela felt a mix of anger, sadness, and helplessness. It was during these moments of despair that she realized something critical: her career, her personal growth, and her independence had always been hers alone. No one else could define her value, and no betrayal could take away the strength she had built through years of effort and resilience. Sitting by her small window one evening, looking out at the city lights, Leela made a quiet vow to herself. "I will not let this break me. I will rise stronger. My success will not be measured by anyone's love or deceit. It will be measured by what I achieve for myself." With that resolve, Leela began to rebuild her life. She returned to work, initially hesitant, but slowly regained her focus. Every task she completed every project she led became a reminder of her inner strength. She started to invest time in improving herself, learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, and reconnecting with her own ambitions. Leela's heartbreak, painful as it was, became the catalyst for her transformation. She realized that personal empowerment, confidence, independence, and self-sufficiency was the truest form of success. And with each passing day, she began to embody that truth more fully. After the painful betrayal, Leela felt as though the world had collapsed around her. But amid the heartbreak, a spark of determination ignited. She realized that no one could take away her skills, her courage, or her potential. Her future would be defined not by someone else's actions but by her own choices. Returning to work was not easy. Each morning, she stared at her reflection in the mirror, remembering the tears she had shed, the nights spent crying herself to sleep. But she also remembered the village, the long walks to school, the lanternlit nights of studying, and the determination that had brought her to the city. That same inner fire now urged her to rise. She began by focusing on self-improvement. Leela enrolled in professional courses, learning new software, communication skills, and leadership techniques. She worked longer hours not out of obligation but out of ambition. She read books on personal growth, finance, and emotional resilience. Every small skill she acquired, every challenge she overcame, became a brick in the foundation of her empowerment. Her colleagues noticed the change. Leela exuded confidence and competence. She no longer relied on validation from others, her own standards guided her. Promotions and recognition followed, but they were no longer her primary motivation. What mattered most was the knowledge that she was building a life defined by her own choices and achievements. Outside work, Leela rebuilt her personal life. She cultivated friendships and supportive relationships that encouraged growth and independence. She learned to enjoy her own company and found fulfillment in hobbies and experiences she had once postponed for others. Traveling to nearby cities, attending workshops, and exploring new interests became a regular part of her life. Months turned into years, and Leela's transformation was remarkable. She was no longer the shy, uncertain village girl who had once walked timidly into the city. She was strong, self-reliant, and unshakable. She could handle challenges with grace, make decisions confidently, and face setbacks without fear. The betrayal that once seemed catastrophic had become a catalyst for her growth. One afternoon, as she sat in her apartment overlooking the city skyline, Leela reflected on her journey. She thought of the village, her struggles with education, the long walks, the sleepless nights, the city's chaos, her first job, the admiration and betrayal, and finally, her own transformation. She realized that true success was never about wealth, status, or even relationships. It was about self-discovery, resilience, and the ability to stand tall no matter what life throws at you. A few years later, Leela became a team leader in her company. She mentored young women who reminded her of her own younger self, curious, ambitious, and facing obstacles that seemed insurmountable. She encouraged them to dream boldly, to work diligently, and to trust in their own abilities. She had come full circle, turning her struggles into lessons and her pain into strength. In the quiet moments, Leela often smiled to herself. She had achieved far more than she had ever imagined, not because of anyone else, but because she had believed in herself, fought through adversity, and refused to let life's betrayals define her. Her story became one of inspiration, proof that courage, perseverance, and self-reliance could transform even the most difficult circumstances into a life of meaning, accomplishment, and empowerment. Leela had not only succeeded in her career but had also discovered the most important lesson of all, The power to shape her own destiny lay within her all along.